Hi. So I thought I'd just share a fun little hack that I ended up doing some years back to do with sticking lights on the side of your safety glasses. So as you can see here, I had a picture of huge fan of Jimmy DiResta and making all sorts of stuff, but he's using I think a milling machine whilst holding a torch in his hands, and so these sorts of moments I think most people in the workshop have been through. It annoyed the heck out of me. And even though you can buy goggles with lights on, you can't usually adjust the position of them. So I thought, well, how would we do that? And as you can see from this little GIF, the lights are sort of spinning round and adjustable. And I kind of thought this was sort of quite an interesting way to consider playing around with the format. Because there's also times when you completely don't want to have the extra faff of something on the side of your goggles because it just makes it a little bit more uncomfortable. But I thought either way, perfect thing to use was Sugru, which is this sticky moldable orange stuff, glue. And just to give disclosure, I did used to work at the company, but I did all this stuff in my own time, wasn't sponsored or any of that sort of stuff, so this isn't an ad. But I just genuinely thought it was useful. And because it's working with magnets, it means I could sort of stick them on drills or Dremels, Proxon indeed, or screwdrivers for when you're sort of doing something in a poorly lit or hard to reach place. So I thought even the fact you could sort of interchange it and take one off the side and use it on a tool was kind of fun. So either way, lots of preamble, but and a video on how to do it. But really, it's quite simple in that you just buy these little keychain lights, and as you can see, by cutting off the keychain of the ring, you're able to mold up the glue, portion it into little pieces, and even with one pack, you can basically do this whole thing. A little bit of a subtlety of just making sure you label up which side of the magnet is which so that you can make them interchangeable and it hasn't got a left and a right side. And then basically preparing it on the side of the goggles, and a little way to check. As you can see, it still sticks even through my thumb. So that's a good way to check you've definitely got it the right way around. And so as you can see, I was mentioning that these things do exist, but it's really the tilt that I think is the key feature here that's super useful. And again, the versatility of putting them on a whole load of other tools. Even one of the suggestions from one of the guys in the team was wanting to do barbecuing at night and thinking this would be a great idea. I don't know, but it was pretty funny and I liked it. So either way, that's that. And of course, the nice thing about Sugu, because it sort of basically feels like plasticine, sets over 24 hours, and is kind of this bendable, flexible rubber. Another thing that you notice on some of the older goggles is these soft ends fall off, and so you can actually use it to sort of make them soft and squishy again, so that it doesn't feel so rough on your ears. So anyway, hope that's useful. Do check out any of the other stuff. There's links in the side here or in the bottom of the YouTube, and also check out Hey Jude on Instructables.com. Thanks very much. Bye.